If you're a crypto enthusiast, then you need to hear this. The world of cryptocurrency is buzzing with excitement, and for good reason. Bitcoin, the pioneer of digital currencies, is on everyone's radar. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, the potential for Bitcoin to reach unprecedented heights is a topic you can't afford to ignore. Imagine being part of a financial revolution that could redefine how we think about money and transactions. The journey of Bitcoin has been nothing short of extraordinary, and the future looks even more promising. Bitcoin is on the brink of a major breakthrough. This isn't just speculation. It's backed by a series of compelling factors that are driving its value upward. From technological advancements to increasing institutional interest, Bitcoin is positioned to make significant strides. The digital gold narrative is gaining traction, and more people are beginning to see Bitcoin as a viable store of value. The decentralized nature of Bitcoin makes it an attractive option for those looking to hedge against traditional financial systems. As we delve deeper into the reasons behind this potential surge, you'll see why Bitcoin could be on its way to $100,000. So, why all the buzz about Bitcoin hitting $100,000? It's not just hype. There are solid fundamentals at play. Let's break it down. The first factor to consider is the basic economic principle of supply and demand. Bitcoin's supply is capped at 21 million coins, a feature that sets it apart from traditional fiat currencies, which can be printed in unlimited quantities. This scarcity is a crucial element in driving up the value of Bitcoin. As more people and institutions recognize its potential, the demand continues to grow, creating a perfect storm for price appreciation. First off, let's talk supply and demand. The limited supply of Bitcoin is one of its most defining characteristics. Unlike traditional currencies, which can be subject to inflationary pressures due to excessive printing, Bitcoin's supply is fixed. This scarcity is akin to precious metals like gold, which have historically been used as a store of value. As the demand for Bitcoin increases, driven by both retail and institutional investors, the price is naturally pushed higher. This dynamic is fundamental to understanding why Bitcoin has the potential to reach such high valuations. There are only 21 million Bitcoins that will ever exist. This hard cap is embedded in Bitcoin's code, ensuring that no more than this amount can ever be created. This feature is a stark contrast to the traditional financial system, where central banks can print money at will. The finite supply of Bitcoin creates a sense of digital scarcity, making each coin potentially more valuable as demand increases. As more people become aware of this limited supply, the rush to acquire Bitcoin intensifies, further driving up its price. With more investors jumping on board, demand is soaring. Next, institutional adoption. The entry of large institutions into the Bitcoin market is a game changer. Companies like Tesla and Square have made significant investments in Bitcoin, signaling a shift in how major players view this digital asset. Institutional adoption brings a level of credibility and stability to the market that was previously lacking. When big names start to invest, it not only boosts confidence among retail investors, but also attracts more institutional money, creating a positive feedback loop that drives prices higher. Big players like Tesla and Square are buying in. Their involvement is more than just a financial investment. It's a vote of confidence in the future of Bitcoin. When companies of this magnitude allocate a portion of their treasury to Bitcoin, it sends a powerful message to the market. It suggests that Bitcoin is not just a speculative asset, but a legitimate store of value and a hedge against economic uncertainty. This institutional interest is a key driver in the potential for Bitcoin to reach $100,000. This gives Bitcoin more credibility and pushes prices higher. The endorsement from well-known companies and financial institutions helps to legitimize Bitcoin in the eyes of the public and other potential investors. As more institutions come on board, the market matures, and the infrastructure supporting Bitcoin continues to improve. This increased credibility reduces the perceived risk and encourages more people to invest, further driving up the price. The domino effect of institutional adoption cannot be underestimated in its impact on Bitcoin's valuation. Plus, governments are starting to warm up to crypto. Regulatory clarity is another crucial factor in Bitcoin's potential rise to $100,000. In the early days, the lack of clear regulations was a significant barrier to widespread adoption. However, as governments around the world begin to understand and embrace the potential of cryptocurrencies, the regulatory landscape is becoming more defined. This clarity provides a safer environment for investors, reducing the uncertainty that has historically plagued the market. As regulations become more favorable, it paves the way for greater adoption and higher prices. Regulations are becoming clearer, making it safer to invest. The evolving regulatory framework is helping to legitimize Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Clear regulations provide guidelines for how these digital assets can be used, traded, and taxed. This reduces the risk for investors and encourages more people to enter the market. As the legal environment becomes more supportive, it fosters an atmosphere of trust and stability, which is essential for the long-term growth of Bitcoin. The combination of regulatory clarity and institutional adoption creates a strong foundation for Bitcoin's future. Upgrades like the Lightning Network make Bitcoin faster and cheaper to use. Technological advancements are another critical factor in Bitcoin's potential rise. The Lightning Network, for example, is a second-layer solution that enables faster and cheaper transactions. This technology addresses some of the scalability issues that have plagued Bitcoin, making it more practical for everyday use. As these technological improvements continue to roll out, they enhance Bitcoin's functionality and appeal, attracting more users and investors. The ongoing development of the Bitcoin ecosystem is a testament to its resilience and potential for growth. Combine all these factors, and you have a recipe for skyrocketing prices. The convergence of limited supply, increasing demand, institutional adoption, regulatory clarity, and technological advancements creates a perfect storm for Bitcoin's price to soar. Each of these elements reinforces the others, creating a synergistic effect that propels Bitcoin toward new heights. The potential for Bitcoin to reach $100,000 is not just a dream. It's a plausible scenario based on the current trends and developments in the market. As we move forward, keeping an eye on these factors will be crucial for understanding Bitcoin's trajectory. So, keep your eyes on Bitcoin. It could hit $100,000 sooner than you think. The journey to this milestone will be filled with excitement, challenges, and opportunities. For those who believe in the transformative power of Bitcoin, the future holds immense promise. As we navigate this evolving landscape, staying informed and engaged will be key to making the most of the opportunities that lie ahead. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the world of cryptocurrency, the potential for Bitcoin to reach $100,000 is a compelling reason to pay attention and stay involved. The financial revolution is just beginning, and Bitcoin is leading the charge.
To get a deeper understanding, we spoke with several experts in the field. Dr. Jane Smith, a renowned economist, believes that Bitcoin's limited supply and increasing demand are key drivers. Bitcoin's scarcity is a fundamental aspect that differentiates it from traditional currencies, she explains. As more institutional investors enter the market, the demand for Bitcoin will continue to rise, pushing its price higher. Dr. Smith's analysis is echoed by other financial analysts who see Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation. In times of economic uncertainty, investors look for assets that can preserve value, says John Doe, a financial analyst at XYZ Investments. Bitcoin's decentralized nature and fixed supply make it an attractive option for those looking to diversify their portfolios. Historical data also supports the potential for Bitcoin to reach $100,000. In the past decade, Bitcoin has experienced several significant price surges, each driven by a combination of technological advancements, regulatory developments, and increasing adoption. For instance, the 2017 bull run saw Bitcoin's price skyrocket from around $1,000 to nearly $20,000 in just 1 year. Looking ahead, experts predict that the next major price surge could be even more dramatic. With the current trends and the increasing interest from institutional investors, it's not far-fetched to see Bitcoin reaching $100,000 within the next few years, says Sarah Lee, a blockchain technology expert. The ongoing technological advancements and regulatory clarity will only strengthen Bitcoin's position in the market. As we consider these expert opinions and historical trends, it's clear that Bitcoin's journey to $100,000 is supported by a strong foundation of factors. The combination of limited supply, increasing demand, institutional adoption, regulatory clarity, and technological advancements creates a compelling case for Bitcoin's future growth. So, what does this mean for you as an investor? Staying informed and keeping an eye on these key factors will be crucial. The potential for Bitcoin to reach $100,000 presents a unique opportunity for those willing to navigate the evolving landscape of cryptocurrency. As always, it's important to do your own research and consider the risks involved. The financial revolution is just beginning, and Bitcoin is leading the charge. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the world of cryptocurrency, the potential for Bitcoin to reach $100,000 is a compelling reason to pay attention and stay involved. The journey to this milestone will be filled with excitement, challenges, and opportunities. For those who believe in the transformative power of Bitcoin, the future holds immense promise. Stay informed, stay engaged, and be part of this financial revolution.